Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sarah and I'm an American expat who currently lives in Kraków, Poland. I have a puppy, I have a husband, I have a cat, I love traveling, and I like documenting all of that stuff and putting it on the internet for you guys to see. So before we jump into today's video, which is all about 5 healthy recipes that you can be eating this fall, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, come join. I do a lot of videos about traveling in Poland, my life here, updates, fall things, basically anything and everything. So I would love it if you could stick around. So let's go ahead and jump into what today's video is all about, and what I'm sure you're probably excited to hear about are 5 recipes you should try this fall. I don't know about you guys, but I love fall. Like, I thrive in the fall time. And I don't know if you can tell, my sweatshirt, my flowers, my whole house is fall, and I love this time of year. I think it's so cozy, it's so comforting, and I love the change of seasons. I love color, like all the colors, everything. So I thought it'd be really fun to kind of show you some different recipes that you can be eating this fall in order to kind of switch up your cooking game, do a little fun experimentation in the kitchen. Here in Poland, I actually can't find canned pumpkin. So for you Polish people out there, if you know where to buy canned pumpkin, I'm all ears, because I've spent the past few years here and I've never been able to find it except for Amazon. And it is so expensive on Amazon. So I actually this year decided to make my own pumpkin puree, and I know where some of my friends live in America, they can't find pumpkin puree, and it's kind of it's expensive to find it, or you just can't at all. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of show you how you can make your own pumpkin puree. I'm also going to be showing you a really healthy, easy dinner that you can do for you and your family this fall. I'm also sharing a really tasty sandwich recipe, because I know sandwiches are just such an easy go-to for so many different people, and it's kind of fall inspired. I'm also sharing how to make my own version of a pumpkin spice latte that is a lot healthier for you, as well as some little chocolate treats, so like a pumpkin spice energy ball. So I hope you guys enjoy these recipes. It was a lot of fun eating them and trying them out for you guys. I think you will really like them. If you do like this video and you know someone who would actually enjoy it as well, please sure to share it with them on social media, email, WhatsApp, whatever it is, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos every single Wednesday, because I'm talking a lot about Poland and traveling and food and all of that kind of stuff. So love to have you stick around. So let's go ahead and jump into these 5 healthy recipes. guys enjoyed this video of 5 healthy recipes that you can be eating this fall. My cat certainly loved helping me create these recipes because she likes to be on the counter and kind of exploring what I'm doing. So since it is fall time, I thought that she could make an appearance too. She really thrives in the fall time as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every single Wednesday. And with that, I'll go ahead and see you guys next week with my next video. Bye!